Okay, in this video I want to show you how to fix an Amazon Fire tablet that is too bright, and it doesn't matter what version of Amazon Fire that you have, or a Kindle. The only thing you have to do is just change the brightness on it. I'll show you in two ways. You go to settings or go to the top. So what we're going to do is go scroll down, and then from right here you can see there's a bulb here for brightness. So if I go here, I can change the brightness by just toggling this little thing up and down like that. Now the second way to do it is just go to the settings mode, which looks like a little gear shift, then go to display, and then go to brightness level, and then you can change it here like that. Now you may have inadvertently turned on the blue shade mode. That basically, blue shade mode is to prevent too much blue ray lights coming into your eyes at night before you go to bed. So if you see like a more of like a brownish hue, and that's why it's dark, just click on the blue shade, and you can turn it off from here, or you can just scroll up again, and you'll see this little icon that looks like a bed with a cross through it. Just click that, and you can turn blue shade on and off. So if your screen is dark because of blue shade, that would be the reason. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe.